You can ask WALLy to secure your cloud against ransomware threats. Let me show you how. First off, let's start by getting an idea of what our risk actually looks like. I'm going to ask WALLy, give WALLy a moment to think about it, and the output is going to be a nice overview of our attack surface. All right, we have ransomware threats across 5 accounts. A total of 115 identities can perform data destruction and ransomware operations across these various services. So now that we have an idea of what our risk actually looks like, let's ask WALLy to do something about it. So this is where the magic is really going to happen. Again, we're going to give WALLy a moment to do his thing. We're going to see that deploy pending right there pop up with 45 notifications. And ransomware protection has now been successfully applied to our organization. The controls are staged and pending changes. So let's go check that out. Moving over to deploy pending. Here we can see all those deny policies. If we were to submit those 45 changes, you'd automatically be brought over to your cloud console where you could implement these policies using infrastructure as code. But for now, we're going to go ahead and delete these 45 changes because I want to show you where WALLy is pulling this information from. If we move over to our firewall services and down to the threat vectors dashboard, here we can see a number of threat categories, but we are going to hone in on that data destruction and ransomware subcategory where we can see 43 identities and 5 accounts in those 25 privileged permissions that allow deleting of infrastructure or encrypting of data and so on. And so to do the same fix now, but the manual way, all you do is navigate over to this fix button, select fix. We'll submit that. The deploy pending will get a little busy again, and it's the same process as before. Go to deploy pending, submit those changes, and you can implement those in your cloud console. So that's it. Your cloud is now protected from ransomware threats, and thank you so much for watching.